Hello people, it is me back again with another video. This is going to be the return of professionally edited videos because now I have a dedicated Fifine T669 microphone for high quality audio. While I have been trying to improve the video quality, I noticed my audio quality was still lacking. So I decided to do a little bit of research, watch little YouTube videos as well, and find a good microphone that offers superior bang for the buck. And I've arrived at this, the Fifine T669, which is essentially a K669B but with additional accessories. And you'll see them later when I unbox it. Another bonus is a detachable USB cable. So when you order the T669, you'll have the user guide, I think this is a wind filter or plosive filter that you won't hear those ing into the microphone thanks to this shield. Is that a wind, plosives, or both? I'll set that aside for now. Why do I have my phone boxes here? We have, actually what is this? The backup mats for the pop filter. Watch the guide video. I don't know what it, oh, this is a part for the shock mount. The rubber strings for the shock mount, which, speaking of shock mount, here it is, shock mount. So we can press it in and out, kind of like a speaker's suspension, so that any particularly heated rage gamer moments won't have an effect on your microphone. Here is the inbuilt, well not inbuilt, the default wind sock that actually goes over the microphone, while the wind filter is mounted away from it. It's even secured by Velcro tie, so you have to take care not to rip it off because there's Velcro inside that's keeping the, I think it's a USB cable that connects the microphone together. So this is the USB cable to attach your computer to the microphone. The tripod in case you want to mount it on your desk. The stand snap out. So snap out, boom. It spreads wide, which makes a low center of gravity. That's a good thing. Unlike my camera's tripod, which is like super duper narrow and it would easily, this is exaggerated, but you know what I mean. Okay, apart from that, we have the boom stand to attach to your desk, which the clamp is, I think the clamp is still here. Yeah, this is the clamp which screws to your desk, and you put the foot of the boom stand into the supplied hole, the mounting hole in here. The tube goes all the way in. You can unscrew this to tighten the grip on the boom stand, the foot of the boom stand, and it is rather well made. Surprising quality for only 50 bucks. Yeah, the whole kit costs 50 bucks. That's American, but for my Malaysian audience, 199 ringgit with free shipping on Shopee. Part that you've all been waiting for. Oh my god, this is actually rather heavy. The microphone itself. There's a little dust there. Nothing big. Then mount it on the side, facing you. It has a volume knob which feels rather good. It's weighted. It has a grease in it that makes it feel smooth to turn. Well, not grease, but more like lubricant. And this is the cardioid microphone. So the front facing you is where you speak into. You speak into the microphone like this. Not like that, not like this, but like that. And if you block the back, it will effectively become an omnidirectional microphone. This is the volume knob or the gain knob. It's actually a gain knob, so even with the same background noise, the higher you turn it, the more hiss you'll hear. Here is the user guide. Shows how you set up the microphone. Inside it you'll see what the kit includes, everything that the kit includes. For the first test, I'll put the microphone on a tripod and talk into it.